I believe a visionary leader is somebody who literally captures inside them such a calling to do something that makes a massive difference in the world, that they see in their mind's eye that they can do, they know that they can accomplish it, and they set out on a mission to go out and make a massive difference in the world. And they basically there's no option, there's no turning back. They just feel called to do something. I know for myself, I wanted to be a teacher and I wanted to be an educator, and I wanted to travel the world and step foot in every country on the face of the earth, and I just kept persevering and focusing on that, never stopping on that. I've been doing it 41 years. I obviously captured what it is that means so much to me that I would let nothing stop me from that outcome. That's what visionary leaders do. They capture the very essence of what drives them, and they find something that means so much to them, that to service to the world, that they don't let anything stop them from on this planet to get there. And they just persevere and they never give up on it, and they keep engaging other people to assist them in delegating things and prioritizing things and making things happen. And they don't, there's no turning back, as I said. They just keep moving forward towards their dream.